Hi friends, myself Chetan Bulla. Today I'm going to start a new channel on data architect. So in this channel I'm going to discuss about that who is a data architect, what are the roles and responsibilities, what are the different skill sets required to become a data architect, then what are the deliverables and what are the day-to-day activities of the data architect. So we are going to cover all the important details about the data architect, and then with the different use cases as well as case studies I'm going to use in particular channel to discuss the what are the roles and responsibilities of data architect. So these are the major data architecture mind mapping, where we start with the roles and responsibilities and what are the deliverables, what are the skill set required for the data architect, so to whom he has to communicate to take the appropriate tasks from them to take the decisions. Then coming to the skill sets, we should have the SQL, Python, Spark, Kafka, as well as any of the cloud services like GCP, AWS, and Azure. Then coming to the roles and responsibilities, he used to design and maintain the architecture blueprint, then enable secure and scalable data architecture. Then he used to align the data strategy with the business goals. So then coming to the various roles like data integration, so we used to read the data from multiple systems. We need to integrate into the some source systems or staging systems. So that integration part, moving from the one data from one system to the system, how we can integrate these particular components in the architecture. That is about the data integration. Then data modeling, we are getting the data from different sources. We have to model the data so that it should be as per the business requirement. We have to keep the data, and it should be easy for accessing and calculation of some of the KPIs. So we use appropriate data modeling techniques. Then coming to the data storage and performance, so data storage, either we can use the on-prem Oracle, or we can use any kind of GCP services like AWS Redshift and GCP BigQuery. So those kind of data storage we have to use based on the requirement of the data. Then improving the performance, there are some strategies to improve the store and access operations in the particular database systems. That is also key responsibility of the data architect. Then coming to data governance, so data architect should decide that which data should be kept in the which kind of storage, what different attributes he has to hide from the users, what are the retention period, when he has to revoke the data. So those kind of things he has to decide and take the appropriate decisions based on the business goals as well as requirements. Coming to the communication, he should discuss with the business analyst, subject matter experts, data engineers, data scientists, and some cloud architect to take some inputs and to perform the appropriate task on the particular project. Then what are the major deliverables? He has to give the complete blueprint of the data architecture. Then what are the integration maps and configurations? Then what is the roadmap to take the delivery of the project? Then how to govern the data and how to create the dashboards, so that it should be, it means that the end user should understand the different KPIs from the historical data. So that is the major key roles of the data architecture. Then in each and every project we have seen that data is coming from the different sources. That will go to the landing zone we perform some pre-processing. Then that pre-processed data will be stored in the staging zone, and from staging we have to take some transformations as per the business requirements, business goals. Then that will move to the curated zones. From the curated zone we have to move it to the consumers in terms of dashboards with the various KPIs. So in each and every phase of this data flow, data actually play a very important role. So getting data from the multiple sources, data integration is a very important task so that we can efficiently collect all the data. Then we need to do some pre-processing and store into the staging zone. So these raw data can be kept some period of time so that in future if we require the data in any failures of the systems, we require those data and we will retry the data to re-execute the data so that end user can get all the information. So in the curated zone we have to perform various data modeling, and as per data modeling we store the data into the big data warehouse systems like AWS, Redshift, GCP, BigQuery, as well as on-prem Oracle kind of things. And those can be consumed by the certain dashboards like Python based dashboards or Tableau or Power BI. So data architect play a very important role in the data system, so that he used to deliver the efficient, accurate data to the end users. Okay, so in this channel I'm going to discuss all the aspects of data architect with the use cases and case studies. And thank you all.